Hey everyone, I'm standing under the swaying palm fronds of Naru Island's morning market, where salt-tinged breeze meets the hum of fishing boats. Today, I'm hunting down the legendary Sunfire Kelp Crab Stew, a dish born from this island's sun-baked coral shores and rain-soaked jungles. Locals say it brings good luck for safe voyages, and I can't wait to dive in. First, a bit of backstory. Naru Island's climate swings between blazing dry seasons and sudden tropical downpours. Over centuries, islanders learned to balance the fiery heat with cooling, nourishing bowls of stew. They harvest bright orange stone claws from shallow reefs, real king crabs with meat firm enough to stand a slow simmer. To that, they add a dash of native Flamevine Pepper, a small ruby red pot that packs a gentle heat and fruity aroma. But here's where the magic happens, a fictional twist that feels perfectly at home. The recipe calls for strands of Lumina Kelp, a pale blue seaweed that absorbs moonlight underwater. Traders say its fibers glow faintly when cooked, and it lends a silky texture and hint of brine to the broth. You won't find this on any map. But as I watch a vendor pluck fresh kelp from an ice-packed basket, it looks entirely believable, like an exotic cousin of kombu or wakame. The cooking station is set up right by the quay. I peer over steaming clay pots as the chef layers ingredients. This sweet jam, chopped firefly shoots, Tom Lumina Kelp, and prawn sections cracked just enough to let the juices seep out. He pours in thick coconut milk and a homemade broth infused with charred garlic, lemongrass, and a batch of tamarind. A swoop of sun-dried mango bits floats on top, adding tang and a pop of color. 10 minutes later, he ladles out a steaming bowl, and the kelp glimmers softly in the rising steam. I bring it close. There's a whiff of ocean air, coconut sweetness, and that playful pepper heat awakening my nose. The broth feels rich but not heavy. I take my first spoonful. The meat is tender, almost buttery, flaking off the shell in silky strands. The kelp offers gentle chewiness, like soft glass noodles soaked in broth. Each spoonful carries the tangy mango brightness and earthy fire fern, while the coconut milk smooths the rough edges. This dish isn't just a stew, it's a journey through Naru's history. In older times, islanders believed Lumina Kelp was a gift from the moon goddess, guiding sailors at night. The Flamevine Pepper was traded along the spice cliff route, bringing folks together in celebration. Today, families gather around low tables, dipping torn flatbread into the stew, chatting about currents and fishing youths. As I finish the last drop, I feel warmth from the inside out, as if I tasted centuries of culture in one bowl. If you ever find yourself on Naru Island, or anywhere that captures this spirit, don't miss the Sunfire Kelp Crab Stew. It's a delicious bridge between reality and imagination. And trust me, you will be planning your next trip before you wipe the last broth from your lips.